What's up, guys? I just want to talk about rough idle on e90 325i. In my case, it was a coil that's located underneath here. The cylinder number one, it was pretty much loose. All I had to do is clip it back on, and my issue went away. There's a lot of different things can go wrong with it. You have right here 2 Vanna solenoids. You also have coils, spark plugs, air breathing hose down there. It can be muff airflow sensor here. It can be a lot of things, but like I said, in my case it was just a coil, and the problem went away. It's running back to normal. There's a lot of different videos about this, but you have to go step by step, check everything, make sure it's all clipped on, there's no leaks. Or it can also be, there's a gasket in here. There's a little motor that goes inside the engine. There's a gasket there. If it's leaking, that can also give you a rough idle. Yeah, thank you guys. That's all for my video today.